Nigeria now, where countrywide strike by trade unions continues to cripple government business for the second day. This comes as the government fails to reach a compromise with union leaders. The workers are demanding an upwards adjustment of the minimum wage bill. CGTN's Kelechi Emekalam has been monitoring the developments and now reports.
It's the second day of a nationwide strike called by Nigeria's labor and trade unions. The union members roam the streets from one office to another to ensure all offices remain shut. The union has directed all public and private institutions, offices, banks, schools and fuel stations to remain shut while the strike is on. They want the current $49 minimum wage raised to $137.
This morning, the compliance is total, and for the states that was good yesterday, they even consolidated more. I'm sure watching the FCT, yesterday some areas started slow, but the offices and the banks are completely shut down today. Some banks started in the morning. As we are talking now, their compliance going away. The Federal Medical Center just got shut down completely now, and other places in Abuja. And same across the nation, there's a total compliance.
The government had agreed to reopen talks over pay rise next week. Talks held last evening between union leaders and secretary to the government collapsed. So far, a few critical areas like emergency units have been left to run, but the unionists are threatening a total shutdown should government not heed their calls by next week.
What we are doing for clarity purposes is a warning strike. Our organs met and mandated the National Administrative Council now to be taking decisions as they deem fit based on the circumstances. And the first decision is a warning strike. If it persists, we might now suspend, discuss, re-strategize, and maybe, because remember you asked about essential services, if we go in indefinite strike, then it will become a more full-blown activities.
The demand for a raise in minimum wage is not only having a pushback from the federal government, several state governments as well are also opposed to it. Most of them have incurred salary arrears running beyond 5 months. To them, fulfilling the latest demand is a near impossibility. Kelechi Emekalam, CGTN, Abuja, Nigeria.